Some big news coming in. A crucial UP BJP huddle that's been organized for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Key BJP meeting over UP poll candidates. In fact, this 24-member BJP poll panel will be meeting tomorrow. Remember, this in the backdrop of elections in Uttar Pradesh. Now, a crucial UP BJP huddle will be held tomorrow at 4 p.m. The key BJP meeting is over UP poll candidates. The names of candidates to be announced soon enough. And here, a poll panel to be meeting at 4 p.m. tomorrow. 24-member BJP poll panel meeting tomorrow. Let me quickly cut across to Samarth for more on that. Samarth, take us to exactly what's going to be deliberated in that meeting at 4 p.m. tomorrow.
Well, Uttar Pradesh BJP is going to conduct a crucial meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. in Lucknow, and it is about the candidate list that whatever being finalized for the Uttar Pradesh elections. As you know, that Election Commission has already announced the dates for the polls, and now it has become crucial about the candidature, about the names of candidates, like from which area, which candidate is going to fight, from which seat, which candidate is going to fight. And it is not just limited to BJP. Several such meetings are also taking place amid in Samajwadi Party office. Today at Mulayam Singh Yadav residence, also a crucial meeting is going to take place in which Akhilesh Yadav, Ram Gopal Yadav are going to take part, and also, if you get from getting the sources, Shivpal may also participate. And while on the other hand, the Saffron Party is also holding such meetings. If you see Congress, you can see Priyanka Gandhi taking such meetings virtually, as it is all about virtual factor now, so rallies have been already stopped. But such meetings are crucial, with Uttar Pradesh BJP taking a crucial meeting regarding the candidature of the persons who are trying to find some base in UP. It is going to be very crucial for them, and for Uttar Pradesh BJP, they are very confident that it's going to be a tough fight between SP and the BJP. Yes.
Thank you very much, Samarth, for joining us with those details. A poll panel meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. Now, meanwhile, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has stoked a fresh row, referring to demographic constituency of Uttar Pradesh. Yogi has said that the fight here, the real fight in Uttar Pradesh, is between the 80% and the 20%. Yogi added that 20% of voters will always oppose the BJP, while 80% of the voters will bring BJP to power again. Remember, this is not the first time when Yogi has made a statement like this. In recent times, he has used the terms Ganna versus Jinnah and Abba Jan references to take pot shots at Akhilesh.
ये चुनाव 80 बनाम 20 का होगा। 80% समर्थन एक तरफ होगा, 20% दूसरी तरफ होगा, और मुझे लगता 80% सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे। 20% हमेशा विरोध किए हैं, विरोध करेंगे, लेकिन सत्ता बीजेपी की आएगी। बीजेपी फिर सबका साथ, सबके विकास के अभियान को आगे बढ़ाने का कार्य करेगी।